guys, today we're gonna be playing Animal Hospital, and I'm gonna do the highest shift I can ever do in my whole entire life. I only did shift 14 with my sister. So let's see how high I can do it alone. Well, good thing I'm alone because I can have old coffee. I'm gonna leave the last sip for Fatty the Barney. I don't know why he loves coffee so much. Sup? Oh, what's up? Hello? Can I do anything in this hospital? I got tired. Can I even get out? How do I get out? Yeah, I'm checking in. Can't you see? Are you serious? I can't check in anybody. Not even a single person. Are you serious? How do I get out? How do I get out? I spawned here. Or here. Finally, I'm leaving the door open. Yeah, go. I'm gonna check in the other patients. I wish room 6 was open because actually there is a secret room there actually. But you need the camera so you can see it. Guys, it's laggy. So laggy. Stomach ache, so I know what you need. Hers. Guess what, guys? You can actually how do I get to room 2? Look. You can grab stuff in the walls, I guess. I don't know how to. I guess I don't know how to speak English. Coffee! I heard it. Do you guys heard it? I'll just keep buying my soda, my inventory. The boost is faster and has more time. The blue one is better than run fast red soda. Hi, I know you're exhausted. That's why you came in the animal hospital. I see your eyes are very dried, so I know I'm gonna get you eye drops. I'm like faster than anything. Where did the other patient go? Did I treat her? Yeah. Okay. I thought my sanity was low. Dried eyes. Let me phone them. No, they're not dried. Okay, fine. Doctor is alive. Okay. The cutscene is so annoying. I forgot to skip it. I'm such an idiot. Or was it not there? You must be a new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Yep. Please. Oh. And you're opening cameras. Yay. Is the shop gonna be open? Please. Can I come in with you? Oh, I can't. And open this. Hi, I know you're an anomaly. Yep, you're an anomaly because, I think. Let me see your photo. If it's accursed, oh, I heard that. Coffee. Okay, you're okay. Let me take this coffee. Thank you very much. Just go there and I'll be right there. A new anomaly is coming. Because I know that's an anomaly. Oh no. I'm not going in. It has the eyes. I heard a hack. You can actually... Boom. I don't care if I'm doing no... I meant eye contact. See? I'm doing just eye contact and it's doing nothing. Because I just put in eye drops. Bye, creepy eyes. Oh, you have a stomach ache and I see you have a headache. What do I need? Okay. Okay, so let's end this. Let's go to read more patients. I wish I can just sit here and rest. While you stop, I'm coming. You rude person. Oh, heck no. You see that? You see that? No. Yes, I can just reject you. I'm the new hire. Oh, heck no. Reject me? How dare you? How dare you come to kill my dear patients? There's way too much anomalies. Oh shit. No. She's the headbanger. No. She's the headbanger. Guess I have to give her coffee. But it's for Barney. Take a little sip. No, you're not checking in as a patient. The coffee was just ready in time. Yep, you're good. Okay. You know what? Because I don't want to stay in this video for too long, I'm just gonna go to shift 14. Okay. Or shift 10. Yeah, shift 10 is good. Oh, yeah, but bad name. I would not like my name to be that. Okay, I hope you're not an anomaly. Hey, I have an appointment and... Oh no. Want an organ? Okay, I'll get you. Oh no. Just take Mabel syrup. Dried ice. I knew it. I was thinking dried ice. No wonder why I have to go to room 2. What's taking you so long? Like, is your hands even strong enough to keep ringing the bell? Oh, okay, she's normal. I'm getting tired of waiting. I don't care. Ew. I meant nice name. Let me guess, you need hers. Herbs. It's called herbs. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Guys, let me show you hack. This is so slow. This is magic. Watch this. Wait. I think cup syrup made it better. I think I forgot. Coffee, I heard it. Yeah. Okay. And will you stop banging this? Okay, whatever. Just gonna go. Headache, low sugar. So you need medicine and maple syrup. Let's see if I got it right. I got 2 of them correct. Barney, can you come, please? Yay! The shop is opened. Oh, this is so slow. I just need this. It's so freaking slow. I just need this. Sup? I'm what the heck is that name? I meant nice name. Now checking the cameras. Oh. You got room 8. Amazing. Amazing. Nobody will know. Okay, this is gonna be it for the day. So bye guys.